Next exam is 7 days to go. On 6th of June, you will be sitting from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The next examination, which will get you an entry to my alma mater institution, Nizer Bhubaneswar and CBS Mumbai. So many of the aspirants will be wondering about what is the exam pattern of this examination, how I have to appear for this examination. I know many of you had just heard the name of Nizer Bhabha Atomic Research Center and you have applied for this examination, but you do not know how to appear for this exam. So I am a Nizer alumnus. I have qualified NEST in 2018 and we have helped thousands of students to getting into the top research institutions in India, and last year only 50% of the batch of Nizer were our students. So we are the best person to tell you about all the details about how you should approach this next exam paper and secure the maximum marks that you can get, even more than what your friends will be getting. So let's get started with the pattern of this examination. So here there will be 3 sections. Each sections will be 60 marks. Biology 60 marks, physics 60 marks, chemistry and 60 marks mathematics. But the good part is, not like IIT, there will be not the total of 4 subjects which will be counted. Here you get the option of choosing the best of 3 subjects. Because of this only, being a PCB student, I was able to get into Nizer Bhubaneswar, being from a general category. So any of the 3 subjects you can appear and the best 3 marks will be counted for your merit list preparation. But how you should approach the paper, how you have to navigate through the sections. So each subject will be having 20 marks and plus 3 marks is for the correct question, -1 is for the incorrect question. So you have a 1/3 of the negative marking. And the good thing is that many of the blogs, many of the videos you will be getting confused about, and also going through the previous year papers before 2 years, you will be getting confused about what are these MSQ question, multiple option you had to select. But no more, from last 2 years, they have scrapped the MSQ questions. They are only asking 20 questions, each having single option correct, making the next exam easier than what it was when we were appearing for it. So you have to appear your easiest subjects first. For me, it was like biology was the subject I loved the most. So I appeared for my first easiest section, that was biology. The second preference was for me, it was chemistry. So the easiest subject for me, it was biology. It can be physics, chemistry, math, whatever for you. And the second easiest you have to approach after it, and the toughest subject at the last. And the fourth subject you have not to skip, because the good part is that only the best of 3 marks will be counted. So all the PCMB students, all the PCM students can do the guesswork in biology and may get some questions correct in biology. So we will leave it to the end. So 20 questions in biology will not take more than 30 to 40 minutes for you, and the chemistry section should not take more than 40 to 50 minutes for you, and the remaining 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes we will be giving for the third section. If you get more time, because there are only 20 questions, in total 60 questions, you are having 3 hours of time. So each question you are getting about 3 minutes, but the biology question you may complete it in 1 to 2 minutes. So you will be having more time for the toughest section that you have to approach. And if you save more time, if you have more amount of time, you can give it to the fourth section and do some guesswork. Whatever you do, only 3 of the best subjects will be counted for you. So this was the strategy for approaching the paper. Make sure that you do not panic with this examination. I was having lot of stress when I was going through the PYQs of this examination. Man, how difficult these professors make the paper. And this is like more difficult than my NEET examination, more difficult than my JEE mains examination. But the good part is that this paper is difficult for everyone. The cutoffs will be not like your NEET examination is skyrocketing, and also there will be no leaks in this examination. This exam have not been leaked since it has been conducted by 2007. So there is no track record of leak. So feel free that your hard work will not get wasted, and what you have to take care especially is that you do not panic with a question that is having like one paragraph, two paragraph. You will be bombarded with high level of intellectual questions. What you have to do is to enjoy this paper, the beauty of the paper, being 100% focused with the examination, with the questions you are approaching, and be there for the 3 hours in the examination center. Many of the colleagues will be saying, who will be sitting with you in the examination, they will be trying to leave by 2 hours, 2 hours 30 minutes, but don't do this mistake. Utilize the complete 3 hours and give the best shot. Enjoy the paper. This paper is being made by the scientist professors of NISER and CBS, and believe me, I have been part of this ecosystem. You will enjoy the thought process behind this paper, and if you will attempt it very diligently, you will be scoring very good marks. Whether you will be scaring about like NISER have only 200 seats, but if you have put in your hard work, this is the final time. In this last few days, only do the quick revisions, and Sashtra have brought you a special free mega mock test. You can download the Sashtra app, and from the free test section you can attempt the free mega mock test of NEST exam pattern and exact level of difficulty. So do attempt that, and wish you all the best from the Sashtra team, and we hope you to see you in the first year of NISER. All the best.